Hello, welcome. This is blockchainbloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pinke, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that PayPal's crypto trading goes live in the US. This is major news, guys, and let's talk about the details and how it can actually push up the price of Bitcoin. The second news is about that the number of DeFi users went up 55% in the last 6 weeks. Even that, many DeFi projects value went down, their token value went down, but the users number increased. And the third news is about the Akropolis hack. The hacker get away with $2 million worth of DAI. So let's check out the details. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, but you're interested in blockchain and cryptocurrency, you would like to stay up to date, then you should definitely subscribe here on YouTube. Click on subscribe next to the notification bell, and also you get the videos as soon as I put them on YouTube, because I put a new video on YouTube every weekday. So from Monday to Friday, you can stay up to date with us. This is no question. And another thing, if you would like to get some extra content or sponsor this channel because you like the content, then we have the link under this video, and you can be actually a coffee sponsor, because I wake up pretty early every day, 4:30, to prepare before work this video for you guys. So if you like the content and you would like to sponsor it monthly with €5, you can do it. Or you have the lunch sponsor version, when this is actually monthly €10. But in this case, you will get extra content monthly, which will be not on YouTube. This will start from the 1st of December. So whoever is start to register now, no money will be taken, just on 1st of September. And then bonus videos will be added each month, just for you guys who are among the sponsors. And you get the cool sticker as well from blockchainbloom. And the third version is is €50 per month. And here you get also not just this video, this bonus video, but you get also the top altcoin of the month video, a detailed analysis about an altcoin which looking good at that period of time, so you can have actually a chance to get back this money. And you get this kind of cool mug as well, so you will have and just the VIP sponsors get this blockchainbloom Max, so it's like a unique thing. So guys, if you like this content, you would like to help the channel, this is the place to be. Okay, and now let's move on to the market. And we can see that the Bitcoin, since yesterday, it's above $16,000 right now, 16,180, which is a 2% pump. In the last 24 hours, we can see Ethereum went down a little bit, $458. When we checking out the winners, we have Decred plus 14%, SushiSwap plus 9%, and Uniswap plus 7%. When we're looking at the losers, we have ABBC Coin minus 11%, the Near Protocol minus 9%, and Ocean Protocol minus 8%. And let's looking at Bitcoin, because this is amazing. This is new records in 2020 in this year, and obviously we haven't seen Bitcoin on this level since 2018. So this is actually very, very crucial. You look, yesterday actually it went over. Where was it first? Yes. So, this is also the level, went over 16, then went back, and then up, and then back, and then wow. And it went all the way to, something like that, 16,400 and something. And now it's coming back a little bit, but this is very good. But guys, please be aware of it, okay? So now even in the bull market, when we see a nice, very nice, almost parabolic increase, sooner or later a dump can come. When you check out the last previous bull run, 2016, 17, we have seen several 20%, 30% dumps. So it's part of the game. Don't be surprised if this is coming sooner or later. But after that, the whole trend looks bullish. So we will continue to go up. Probably. It doesn't look bearish at all at the moment. But a pullback, it can happen, definitely. So maybe we first reach, all-time high. So getting around 20,000. It can be easily that now we go to 17,000. We'll see. Bitcoin is all of, when we're looking at it right now, it looks quite bullish and having new and new records in this year. In the recent weeks, it's just going up and up and up. Okay, and bullish news as well. The first one. PayPal's crypto trading goes live in the US, and customers will be able to trade up to $20,000 a week, and rather than the original announced $10,000. So they actually increased this amount, doubled it. So actually, this is a very good thing. And this is for obviously all eligible customers in the United States at the moment. And per its update announcement, PayPal ended its waitlist for customers looking to use cryptocurrency in the US. Trading features limit, as I said, 20,000. And this is actually, it went up. Okay, it's just like, again, it's the same info. And this is a very, very key thing, what we can see here. PayPal ultimately plans to make crypto payments available at 26 million merchants globally. And this itself can push up the price of Bitcoin. Just think about like 26 million merchants worldwide, and their crypto payment would be available. That could be actually very great. Just imagine how much money can flow in through this. And obviously, we do remember when PayPal announced that they're joining the game of crypto. It was, a couple of weeks ago, and this was when it actually really pushed Bitcoin price above 13,000. This great news, and now that they actually trading goes live in the US, and they doubled from 10,000 to 20,000 per week. What they're able to trade. This is actually, again, bullish. And this year that they want to involve 26 million merchants globally, this is I think, huge. So don't forget, PayPal has many accounts, like, I don't know, more than 340 million worldwide. So we're talking about a lot of people who has some kind of connections. And just think about like merchants, how many have the option to pay via PayPal, and then they can the people can pay then via cryptocurrency. I mean, that's actually huge. Okay, so this was the first news. The second news I wanted to talk about is that we have seen that the DeFi projects actually went down in value. Even now Bitcoin is coming up recently. We have seen a nice altcoin pump as well. But overall, they haven't performed too well in the last 2 months. However, the total users, the number of the users went up 55% in the last 6 weeks. And here it says the decentralized finance users steadily increased by 40% during October, despite many DeFi tokens posting heavy losses for the month, right? So what I just said. And it is saying despite many tokens shading significant value lost last month, the sector's user count increased by nearly 40% from 555,000 to 775,000 during October. Further, 85,000 users joined DeFi during the first 11 days of November, increasing the number of the users by 11% in less than 2 weeks. The total that means DeFi user number have grown altogether, so we're talking about the full October and the beginning of November in the first 11 days, 55%. And look, Compound's absolute growth even exceeded that of leading DEX Uniswap, so actually they did better, with the protocols tracking 135,000 and 110,000 users over the past month each. So I think this is crazy. Even the value of this DeFi token now went down because it looked a bit bearish. Now Bitcoin behaving quite bullish, but those are a bit, set back. The next old season it's coming, but when exactly? First, probably Bitcoin has to reach new all-time highs. Whoops, that's not the one I wanted to do. Yeah, he'll be back. Okay, and we can see now here that Uniswap currently represents the 63.6% of daily DEX trades. So Uniswap is the major one. Then followed by Curve, 12.2%, and SushiSwap with 8.64%, and OX with 7%. As such, the four exchanges make up more than 91% of the total DEX volume. So obviously these are the main ones. And when you're looking at where is it? Yeah, DeFi pools. Look, a couple of days ago, in this week, in the video, one of them, I talked about that we reached 13 billion, the total locked value in DeFi, and look how much it went up. We soon going to reach 14 billion. It's crazy how it's going up, right? So look, if you're looking at the whole year, yeah, we can see that it's really started around the summer. And since then, it's unstoppable, DeFi. So there's a good chance that we're going to see another DeFi hype. Looking at the coins and the value of the coins, probably at some point in 2021. Maybe early 2021, we will see how it works out. But I do think that first Bitcoin has to perform really well. And if it performs well, it will pull the other altcoins with it. Okay, and now the third news I wanted to talk about, it's that there was a hack on Akropolis, talking about DeFi, right? And in this hack, the hacker got away with $2 million US dollar worth of DAI. DAI is a stable coin which is pegged to the US dollar, so that's one. It was 2 million in DAI, a bit more. And this is their website, and this is their official announcement that we can see here at the time. They say we noticed discrepancy in the APIs of our stablecoin pools and identified the 2 million DAI had been drained out of Y-Curve and SUSD pools. These pools had been audited by two independent firms. So when we're talking about audit, it doesn't mean, as you can see, it's 100% safe. So it has been audited twice. However, the attacker vectors used in the exploit were not identified in either audit. So actually used something like that. Crazy. So what is affected? So Y-Curve and SUSD pools were drained of DAI 200 million of value. The stolen funds are currently held in this wallet we can see here. Not affected. It's Compound DAI, Compound USDC, Aave, SUSD, Aave, BUSD, Curve BUSD, and Curve SBTC. Native, Acro, and other staking pools, right? So not all the staking pools are affected. We're talking about two. What action were taken? All stablecoins pools were paused, so that's important for all of them. Exchanges informed, so they spread the news that they have to be aware. Security specialists have been engaged, obviously that now they looking at this issue. And our dev and security processes are being reviewed. They double checking, okay, now what they have missed. So basically, the guys working on it, it's a very bad thing. Again, another hack. But we live in crypto. Guys, as long as money is digital, there will be hacks worldwide. And we have to understand that with many protocols, we are at the very, very beginning. The DeFi, it's a new thing. So there are several bugs, several areas which are not discovered yet and discovered right now by hackers. And of course, that's why we will see these kind of things happening in the future. But this is the way you learn. This is the way you make your pools, you make your protocol safer. Because hackers are the one who pointing on mistakes, pointing on weak points of security, what they use, and then it will be fixed. And of course, this is the world of hacker. They always a step ahead of you. But yeah, I guess just this is the way it is. However, things getting safer and safer day by day. So we're not in the time where we were a couple of years ago. It's not that easy anymore. But as we can see, it's still doable. And we can see DeFi and this kind of DeFi pools. So they still can have these security issues. But, you know, as I said, it's a pretty new thing, so it takes time to settle and make it very stable. So guys, that's it for today. And don't forget, if you like this kind of content, smash the like button. I highly appreciate it. And also, subscribe to this YouTube channel because I put videos on YouTube every weekday. So from Monday to Friday, every day, you're getting the freshest blockchain and cryptocurrency news. You can educate yourself with us. We have a totally free course. The link is under this video, how to start to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. We have another course if you really would like to understand how Bitcoin works and blockchain before this whole market starts, I mean the bull market. Be prepared and know why you're investing in Bitcoin. If you do so, not because somebody is saying it, because you're understanding the fundamentals of Bitcoin and blockchain. I think this is crucial. Weekend is coming. That means I wish you a great weekend. And the next video will be on Monday, of course. So I'm coming back on Monday with the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news. Guys, have a good one. Bye-bye.